One more variety of question that you will come across in this topic. Some people will do some work and will earn some money, an amount that needs to be distributed to all the people who did that work. In such cases, total money should be distributed between them in the ratio of total work done by each of them. So, money that a person receives totally depends on the work that he has done. Okay, money will be directly proportional to the work done by an individual. Work done is what? Work is what? Rate of work. Rate of work is work done per day into number of days. Okay, so work done is rate of work into days for which the work is done. And if two people work for same number of days, then their payment will totally depend on rate of work. If this part is constant, then payment or money or income or wages will totally depend on rate of work of each person. Okay, payment will be directly proportional. Payment will be directly proportional to rate of work of each individual. Now, most common case of this sort will be when two people start the work together and they end the work together. So they would have worked for same number of days, and the total money received will be divided between them in ratio of their rate of work. Let's solve a few questions. A alone can finish the work in 10 days, B alone can do it in 15 days. They work together and they get a total wage of rupees 225, which is to be distributed between A and B. So what amount will A receive? They both started together and finished together, so payment will totally depend on their rate of work. Okay, rupees or money that A receives and money that B receives, this ratio will be equal to ratio of their rates. So rate of A is what? 1 by 10. A finishes 1/10 of the work in one day. So rate of A is 1 by 10. Rate of B is 1 by 15. B finishes total work in 15 days. So in one day, B must be doing 1 by 15th of the work. Okay, unitary method. This is equal to 15 upon 10 or 3 upon 2. So payment received by A would be 3 parts out of 3 plus 2, 5 multiplied by the total amount 225. This is equal to 135. Payment received by B would be 2 parts out of 5 into 225, or we can write 225 the total amount minus that of A 135, which will come out to be 90 rupees. So this is how money will be distributed between two people. It would be directly proportional to the work done by each of them. And if they both have worked for the same duration, then we can say the money would be directly proportional to their rate of work. Okay. Next question. Alright. Now different people are working for different durations. A can finish the job in 10 days, B in 15 days. They start the work, but they leave after 2 days. C finishes the remaining work and they get rupees 4,500 for the total work. The same question we have seen before as well, but now the payment is also involved. Total work would be LCM of 10 and 15 and 2, that would be 30. Total work is 30. Rate of A finishes the work in 10 days, so in one day A must be doing 30 upon 10, that is 3 units of work. Rate of work of B would be 2 units. So they leave after 2 days. In 2 days, A must have done 3 into 2, 6 units of work. In 2 days, B must have done 2 into 2, 4 units of work. So 6 plus 4, 10 units of work is finished in first 2 days. Out of 30, 10 is finished. That means remaining 20 units will be done by C. C finishes the remaining work. So C finishes remaining 20 units of work. Okay, now that we have got their individual work, payment will be in same proportion as work done. Okay, ratio of payment will also be 6 is to 4 is to 20, and if we reduce it further, that this would be 3 is to 2 is to 10. This would be the ratio of payment, and total payment is 4,500. On ratio scale A plus B plus C, the payment is 3 plus 2 plus 10, that is 15. Okay, 15 on ratio scale corresponds to rupees 4,500 in actual. So the multiplying factor here is of 300, which will be same for A, B and C as well. The same multiplying factor will get multiplied to ratio value of A, giving us the payment received by A as 300 into 3, 900 rupees. Payment received by B as 300 into 2, that is 600 rupees. And payment received by C as 300 into 10, 3000 rupees. I hope you understood this concept. If you have any doubts, you can put them in the comments below or mail them at support@gofodu.com. Thank you for watching.